For me, teamwork is an essential ingredient in the recipe for achievement. During my studies, I realized the beauty of creating meaning in an organization by leading a team. Shortly after finishing university, BabyBjörn gave me the opportunity to fulfill this purpose. I knew quite early that I wanted a career in an international environment. I studied economics with a specialization in international trade back in my home country, Spain. I studied abroad and then I moved to Sweden and completed a master's degree in leadership and management. The best part about my job is navigating the digital transformation while working together with colleagues from all over the world. This makes me learn and understand the digital landscape and consumer behaviors in different countries. My top 3 tips for those who want to work as direct-to-consumer manager are: always have the consumer in mind, dare to try new things, and never underestimate the power of teamwork.